Hello, in this tutorial, we'll be seeing how to edit the single inventory items. So first let's navigate to the inventory tab. We can navigate it from this side, that is clicking on this inventory button, or we can navigate by clicking on this inventory card. So once you enter the inventory tab, this is the interface which will be seen. So as you can see, all the inventory items are under the respective categories, that is appetizers, beverages, combos, and so on. So instead of scrolling down, you can directly select the specific category which you want to edit, and you will only see the items of those categories. And in case if you want to edit a specific item, you can also search it as this. And as you can see, I can see the item that are available with this name. So these were the basics. And coming to the next of editing the main inventory items, as you can see, this has a few boxes. The first box is the name of the item. The second box shows the price. The third box shows the stock that is available, and this box is used to update the stock. As you can see, there is a small 100 here. This number basically shows that this is the maximum stock of the item. This is set by you when adding a new item to the inventory and cannot be changed. If you want to change this, you have to delete the inventory item and re-add it. So this should be done by prior care. So let's update the stock of this item to say 60. And I just need to click on update details after changing this value and click on update. And as you can see, the stock is updated here and it will be reflected in the created orders. And this is another feature, that is 0 and max. This means that if we click on 0, the stock will be set to 0 automatically, so that the item can be marked out of stock instantly. And once we click on update details, as you can see, the stock is set as 0 and it is instantly reflected here. And just in case, if you want to set the stock to the maximum stock, you can just click on max and then click on update details and update, and the stock will be set to the maximum stock available. And as you can see, the stock is reflected instantly. Similarly, to change the price, we can just change this value, and to change the name, we can just change this value and just click on update details. As you can see, the price is also reflected instantly. This is how an individual editing item is edited in the inventory. And in case if you want to edit a combo item, the editing is slightly different from the editing single inventory item. That is, the stock of the combo cannot be changed, since its stock depends on the dishes that are available or not. Even if a single dish is unavailable that is required for the combo, it will go out of stock automatically. We can change the price of the combo as the regular inventory item because the same boxes are available here. In case if we want to edit the items of the combo, we just need to click on the edit combo button, and you can see the items that are available and the quantity of them that is required for the combo. We can just reduce it or delete the item from the combo. In case if you want to add a new item to the combo, here is the list where we can just click on add and the item will be added. We can also search for the item directly, or we can just search it by specific category. Once you are done by adding the combo items, then you can just click on save combo, and once the changes are saved, it will display a message as saved, the combo is saved successfully. That is it for editing a single item in the inventory.